What we want to do at Tysons is clear. We want to build an environmentally sound, transit-oriented second downtown for the D.C. metropolitan region that will serve as an economic engine and premier employment center for Fairfax County. And critical to the success of any transit-oriented smart growth development is the availability of multimodal transportation and plentiful on-site housing options. While the former involves and has involved billions of dollars and numerous stakeholders, the latter can be a much simpler prospect with enough collaboration and planning. The comprehensive plan the Board of Supervisors approved in June includes an increased allowance for commercial density for developers who provide workforce housing options. It's absolutely vital for the success of the new Tysons that we make living here possible to those who will value what it can offer the most, residents who want to live near work and near metro and maintain an active urban lifestyle. Tysons cannot fully realize its full potential if shoppers, employees, and residents are forced to continue to rely on their cars to get where they need to go. But building the 4 metro stations won't solve traffic congestion problems. We must attract an increased residential component to make sure that Tysons realizes its full potential. The more people who call Tysons home, the more customers Tysons businesses will have, and the lighter the traffic will be. To bring residents to Tysons, we need more workforce housing.